Hello, I'm Cheryl. Welcome to card making with color layer stamps. Using color layer stamps are one of my favorite ways of making cards. The color possibilities are absolutely endless, and they're a great way to just create an image fairly quickly. They're also fun for people that don't necessarily love to color but want to create fun, colorful pieces. Let's go take a look at what we're creating in this class. So these are the 3 cards that we're going to be creating in the class. All very beautiful ocean beachy inspired creations. I'm going to do 3 different variations on using color layer stamps and how you can use them. Keep in mind, this isn't the only ways they can be used. They're just my favorite ways of using them. This class comes with a supply list that lists all of the supplies used for each of the cards, as well as having a sample picture of each one of the creations. Those supplies are linked to where you can purchase them if you choose, but they're also great for reference as well. Let's go create some cards.